a pretty girl. I want to be a pretty girl.
But you're not a pretty girl.
I'm a motherfucking city girl.
What's good, YouTube? Back in the good with another video. But today's my off day, and I fell asleep in my work shirt. But anyways, I'm so tired. I woke up not too long ago. I don't know where my phone is. Matter of fact, I found it. And I'm trying to figure out who texted me. Okay. Anyway. Yeah, you already know. I show y'all the time, all the time. Yeah. Anyways. How's y'all day going so far? I told you I'm gonna keep it consistent. So, anyways, today, I think I'm gonna do a few things. Either, oh, I know I wanna try to do this little wig install. Try to. We'll see how it goes. Cause look, you know, I got the braids in already. But yeah, do that. I might be going somewhere. I might not. Depending on how I feel. Yeah. Oh yeah. Girl. I'm getting distracted. You see that? I don't know why people got that on my screen, but oh yeah, one thing I could say about me though. I don't know. I don't care how crazy I look. I'm still look crazy. Look at my nose rings in my nose, cause you know. It's just ridiculous. So let me try to get my black butt up. Straighten up my room a little bit. I seen on YouTube that somebody, I think I got it up so quick. But I seen on YouTube basically that, dang, I lost my thought process. Anyways, oh, you can use a ring light. Yeah. So let's get into it with the ring light when I find it. So yeah. Let's get started. Well, for right now, that's not a ring light, but that's a light. Hit it from front, back. Well, I get back to y'all when I find a ring light. And actually, matter of fact, I think I found it. Cause I got actually 2 of these. gonna try to head our way to the bathroom when I find my wig. So I'll be back in like a few seconds when I find my wig. Okay. Okay, I'm back, YouTube. Had to change the shirt. Tell me why I was trying to find the little what I was trying to find? I was trying to find the wig. I couldn't find it. I was like, where the my wig at? So we're gonna try to do it with these braids right here. You feel me? Over some braids. I've seen some people do it with braids. Exactly. Like these type of braids, I guess. I don't know. So right now I'm trying to slick them back as best as I can. I really don't got a wig. I mean, a wig cap, that's what I meant. And I'm just gonna push them back, push them back, push them back, push them back. Push them back, push them back, push them back. Push them back. If I'm looking up here, I'm looking at the mirror. Duh. Okay, this might be good enough, I guess. So, I really don't know. Hold on. This is part of the back that I'm gonna slip. All I gotta say is okay, we're going to my nanny house. But all I gotta say is my manager got me messed up. Because at the end of the day, I should get first shift. First shift is the best shift. And you over here hiring people, that's not gonna stay that long. I'm telling you. He got me messed up. Okay. Let's see how long this. I mean, it seems pretty long enough. Oh, this the wig, y'all. I'm gonna get this together, but no, hold on. Got the braids in the back. Okay. Be a little bun in the back. It's okay. You see. Yeah, I get tired. Like, I'm dead serious. And before I do that, yeah, you see how I mentioned? Yeah. Hold on. Before I do anything. Bam. Oh. Okay. Let's see. So it seems we just gonna try to put it. So we just gonna try to put it right here. Hold on. Matter of fact, take a rat tail comb. Matter of fact, I'm just not doing it, so we just gonna have to just. I just didn't want to put too much. See, it's already coming over all over the place. Okay. Mr. Ball Man. Mr. Ball Man. Mr. Ball Man.
Well, I'm trying to make this dry. Take this brush. It's not coming out good, yeah. It's not out. Let's try this. It's right, you know. Okay, so this process right here. Yeah, I'm following these rules because I'm not an expert at waiting. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna use. I'm gonna have to move this on this side. I should have cut it, but see y'all, look, I'm not good at weed, so anyways, okay. Y'all already know what I'm doing. So one thing about me, well, it's not, yeah. I just want to put this a little bit, yeah, right, damn. Well, it's okay. One time, she got this little left it, hopefully she got it with her, so. It's really hot in here, really. don't tell me to follow you on Instagram, but you can follow me back. Yeah, I'm talking to you. And then the one that I mean, it was okay, but no, but the one I really thought was really, really cute. He gonna try to ghost me. I said, so, if you try to ghost me, just say it, because I don't appreciate how you do me, because, listen, it's a thing called spoil your options. But I guess, I don't know if the girl's talking or not, but, so this angle looks really good. I ain't gonna lie. Maybe because the camera looking really good. Yeah. So we just gonna keep, you know, pushing this thing. I don't know if he's gonna somewhere loose, loose, loose. I might eat. Yeah, say what? Okay. Okay. Dang, I should've did a it's okay. I'm gonna just use one of the pictures to try. Let's see. We're gonna try this with this. I'm telling you. Yeah, I'm gonna hold it for first, and then I'll put it on my phone. Y'all can see me with my legs in the same way.
Really wet in the bag. Look at it. Dry. I've been doing this for like, so I don't know how long y'all like these videos, but skip through it if you need to. If you get to this part, like, comments. This is dry. That water's just sitting there. How you gonna look at it and then take that over? Okay, now. Anyways, my manager. See, this is what I don't like about this part though. Look at it. Like, stay in your spot. Oh yeah, that's why I found a nail that hurts. This one hurts. See, he be spraying on his own. Look, see, watch. Just like it. Rather than you spraying in his back. Okay. Let's see. Think about this hair sheds. Period. Okay. I'll come back when it's really, really dry. Or put it in. Here now. Yep. Trying to install a wig and jewelry. Does it look crazy in the bag? No nail, something. Let me stop. Wait. Put the glasses back on. My stomach hurt. need to get my nails done. But I'm gonna, matter of fact, I'm gonna leave this in here. When I see the schedule, what I'm on, why you say nothing? I'm not on nothing. Okay? I'm not on nothing. While I'm in here, I'm gonna brush my teeth. I should be did that, but you know, honestly, that's it. Not gonna cap to y'all. And don't be stunt like I don't be brushing my teeth like first thing in the morning. Sometimes don't be stunt. But my teeth be brushed. Okay, I'm gonna leave that out for a second because it's still hot. So, matter of fact, I'm putting this right back over here. And I'm gonna put y'all in this little corner too, as we will try to. Okay. See, this is the thing about wearing glasses. You will see the green light in the thing. You feel me? But this is gonna be the second video I see me brushing my teeth in. You feel me? Let y'all little hoodlums know I brush my teeth. Nothing. But y'all, what y'all do? Matter of fact, since y'all seen it already, I'll get back to y'all when I'm done. Not only that, because I know y'all don't want to see people brushing their teeth already, but not only that, I guess put some clothes on, and yeah, I guess I either get to y'all when I'm back in my room or when I'm at my nana's house. Y'all will see. But bye, y'all. Oh shoot, and I'm still recording. Got me off guard. Okay. Oh shit. Okay, so y'all, I'm still at this funky house. But I'll get back to y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna end the video here. Like, comment, subscribe, and what else? This is not, it look better when it's far away, but it's all good. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, Kayla Mariah. Follow me on Instagram, Kaiylasweet. Matter of fact, I'll screenshot it and put it on. Matter of fact, I'll just put it down here if I can, because I ain't do the other video. Y'all caught me lacking on that one. But yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know if it's gone. I don't know if it's gonna copyright it, but I don't know. We'll see. anyways, love you, babes. Enjoy the video. If y'all got this far, I thank y'all. I appreciate y'all. Comment something. Oh. Ugh. Why you gotta do me like this? Why you gotta do me like this? Alright, bye.